Here's how to change your location on YouTube. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your YouTube app. After that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on the settings. Here in the settings, tap on the general option. Now scroll down to the bottom where you will be able to view the option of location. Now from the given list, you can select any location that you want. If you have been moved from one country to another, you can change your YouTube location by going there. Or if you simply want to get access to all features of YouTube, you can switch your location to another country. So that's how to change location on YouTube. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it and to subscribe our channel.